Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's installation video, this is going to be a quick install and we are going to be updating some lighting for the front end of the 4th gen Tacoma. So today, let's install the LasFit LED switchback turn signals for the 4th gen. I'll have a link down in the description below where you can purchase this product for this truck, as well as several other Toyotas and different brands as well. So you can follow that link and get the exact kit made for your car. So the first step in this process, we'll start over on the driver's side. You're going to notice there's a connection here with the headlight housing. Basically right underneath that is where the turn signal is located. So if you follow that to the back and then reach around, there's going to be an area that you can twist counterclockwise and pull the bulb right out. So from here, you can actually just gently pull it out. And this is the factory halogen turn signal for the 4th gen Tacoma. And this is our new LED turn signal, which is a lot larger as you can see, but this is going to be a direct fit. And if I'm not mistaken from previous LED bulb installs that I've done, there's going to be one way to do this. So if it doesn't work this way, just flip it around and reinstall it. So we'll try it this way for now. Simple and easy installation. And then you'll just find that spot where it lined up and you can twist this back into place. So you are going into this blind. It's just going to take a little bit of time to figure out where the exact connection is and how you can get this in there. With the driver's side installed now, let's take a quick before and after before we get to some of the night shots. So this is the factory halogen turn signal. When the lights are on, that is what is illuminating at nighttime. For the LasFit LED bulb, it is now going to have a white light. So that is going to match nicely with the headlights when they're on, and it's still going to provide you with that amber color for the turn signal. So with this switchback design, it's going to give the truck a much cleaner look. It's going to give it more of that factory design, but it's also brighter and more direct with the turn signal output. So the switchbacks are going to be better for owners who want a more updated look, while the amber is better for the owners who want a straightforward brightness and turn signal upgrade. So let's work our way to this passenger side now. And the reason I want to showcase this side as well is because I do have an aftermarket intake for this truck. So if you have a factory intake, it's going to take up this section right here, and you may have to remove it if there's not a lot of wiggle room here in order to gain access to behind the light. So for me, I don't think I'm going to have to remove it. It is just a matter of trying to get my hand in there enough to twist this out. And it's going to be the same exact as the other side, where you can twist it counterclockwise. And once you do that, there we go. Oh, that is actually much easier. So using my right hand actually was much better than using my left hand because of the way that my arm twists there. And with both of the lights installed, let's take a look at the before and afters now between the factory halogen turn signals and these LasFit LED switchback turn signals. The factory bulbs are going to be very dim. They give you that amber look. They're functional, of course, but it's just not crisp and bright. So when you switch to the LED turn signals, not only do you have that really nice white interior to match the headlights, but it will go to that factory amber for the turn signal and give you more output for that lighting. So it's going to be a lot more visible, especially during the day too. Depending on where the light is, it is going to give you that brightness that you're looking for and the functionality. So with both of those installed, we have a really easy project. This is something that is going to take you less than 10 minutes to do. You can really update the front end design for your vehicle. So take a look at the link down in the description below where you can purchase them for any Toyota. There's other manufacturers and different models as well. So follow that link and you can find the exact kit for your specific vehicle. So I hope you all enjoyed today's quick installation. This is something that I'm not sure why manufacturers don't already provide us with LEDs for new vehicles, especially in today's market, but less than 10 minutes, you can easily do this yourself. So take a look at that link, give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and consider smashing that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with our daily uploads. I'll see you all in the next video.